Hello friends, welcome to Heart-Filled Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make two crowd-pleasing keto snacks, sausage balls and queso cheese dip. These recipes are perfect for parties or a cozy night in, and the best part is they're both low-carb and keto-friendly. Let's jump right in with the cheese dip, and the first thing you'll need to do is brown 1 pound of breakfast sausage in a medium pot. Next, add 1 can of undrained Rotel and stir until it's combined. For the final step, add 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese and cook this until the cream cheese is completely melted. That's it for this simple 3-step, 3-ingredient cheese dip. This is great with pork rinds, over vegetables, or even over chicken or steak. Now let's move on to the next recipe for keto sausage balls. Now for the simple sausage balls, you're going to add 1 pound of breakfast sausage to a large bowl. The rest of your ingredients are 1 cup of almond flour, a half a cup of shredded cheese, 4 ounces of cream cheese softened, and 1 large egg. Just grab your hand mixer or your stand mixer and mix until smooth and well blended. Okay, now that everything is completely blended and smooth, we're going to roll these into 1 tablespoon size balls and place those in a 400-degree preheated oven. Set your timer for 20 minutes. Make sure that your internal temperature reaches 160 degrees, and there you have it, 2 easy and delicious keto snacks that are sure to be a hit. Please give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed today's recipes, and if you're new here, I would love it if you'd subscribe. Thanks for being here, friends. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.